Hello everyone, and welcome back to another ShopMissA haul. They were having a sale, plus they had a $10 off coupon that I earned through their rewards program. I got all of these items you're going to see in this haul for only $12 and some change. Yes, let's get started. So as always, I wanted to order more of the AOA Studio, the 5-blade cartridges. I've ordered these many times in the past. I love these razors. These are some of the best razors I've ever used personally. No razor burn, no cuts, none of that. Very close shave, and I love how the razors and the cartridges look themselves. They're pink and purple. They have moisture strip on them. $4 for 4 5-bladed cartridges. So you get 4 in here. And I purchased the kit a couple times. Plus, this is probably my 3rd or 4th time purchasing these refills. Amazing. Highly recommend. And then I also needed an AOA Studio Super, the A+ Super Strip Lash Adhesive. This is the only lash glue that I like. I've used Duo in the past and I really did like that one, but price-wise, it's a bit expensive, so in comparison to $1.88. So I love this glue. They have this one in clear and in black. It's waterproof, hypoallergenic, and no irritation. Yeah, I've had no issues. I've repurchased this one, I can't even tell you how many times. At least 5. They had some new lashes, and of course I had to look, and I believe these were $1.55. And these are half lashes. Look how cute the packaging is on these. But the AOA Studio Demi Dream half lashes, and these are the winged flare style, and they're in the style, their name is Whisper. I love a good lash. I cannot wait to try these out. These are so pretty. And my favorite of the two that I chose is this one's called Sparks, also in the winged flare, and $1.55. Honestly, you get so many uses out of these lashes. It's a great deal. But I love this one. I love a spiky, wispy lash, which to me that's what this one is. And I cannot wait to try these out. I'm going to be using all these items in an upcoming video, first impression kind of thing. But I also picked up this AOA Studio Cinnamon Bon Bon Lip Gloss. They have these in 4 different flavors, like an apple, I believe a vanilla, and of course I love nude shades. Look at the lid on this. How adorable. But I love a good nude shade, so I had to pick this one. These were, I believe, $1. But it smells amazing. Look at the cute little applicator. And I'm not crazy about lip gloss, but their lip gloss isn't usually sticky. So, and then the AOA Studio Honey Pot Lip Balm, and I got mine in milk tea. Once again, I can't remember if this was $1 or $1.50. But milk tea, because I love the scent usually of milk products, and I love a good milk product. I cannot. Super cute. I already dug my finger in this one, to be honest, and not only does it smell amazing and have cute packaging, but it works fantastic. So cute. And I'm typically not crazy about a little pot that I have to stick my finger in, but I just couldn't resist. I've been wanting to try one of these honey pot lip balms for a while, and I never found them in my Dollar Tree, so next best thing, ShopMissA. Probably a little smaller than the Dollar Tree one, but none of that matters. These products I am super excited about trying as well. So from AOA Studio, and I believe this was only $1. And this is their brow highlighter. I got the matte bright shade. They have these in a shimmer and I believe white. Whoops. Yeah, so they have these in a shimmer and a white one, and this one. And I love a good brow highlighter pencil, so I could not resist. I wanted to try this one. It's a little darker than I expected. But either way, if I choose not to use this under the brows, I will use it in my waterline. Because I feel that these types of pencils work so good in the waterline and add a really bright eye-opening liner. I also been loving their eyeshadow primers, but for whatever reason I couldn't find the dollar one on the website. I was going to get like a couple of those because I really love that one. I don't think they do that one anymore, but I found this brand new one on the site, and it's AOA Studio 12-Hour Colorful Canvas Eye Primer, and I believe this was $1.88. Really cute pink and rose gold kind of packaging, and I am excited to try this. I am assuming this is going to be a more pigmented eye primer product, but I am very interested. I can't wait to try this out and give you some thoughts on that. I hope it works fantastic. And then last but not least, I had to pick up some of their new eyeshadows, and these look like ColourPop dupes or Natasha Denona. And of course it's the AOA Studio brand, and I believe I paid $1.88 for this. And this is their Mini Sweethearts 5-color eyeshadow palette in Heart's Desire. This is the taupey one. I love a good cool toned taupe. One of my go-to looks for just everyday makeup is taupe. Huge fan. So I love this. This is absolutely stunning mini color story. This would be perfect for traveling. Nice packaging as well. So in that video we will play with this, we'll do swatches, and I'll let you know all about it. But yeah, they had these in about 4 or 5 different color stories to choose from. But isn't that so pretty? So pretty. So that is everything that I got from ShopMissA. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the haul. Stay tuned for the makeup tutorial portion coming soon. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this. And don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional ShopMissA links. Thank you so much for watching.